In this video, we're given the function s of t equals 1 over t squared plus 1, the quantity cubed, to represent the position of a particle moving horizontally along an axis at time t, where s is in inches, t is in seconds. And we're going to find the instantaneous velocity at t equals 1. So first we need s prime of t, and I think with a problem like this, it's easiest to rewrite s of t first as a power function. Don't need to, you could use quotient rule on this, but I think this is a little quicker. So t squared plus 1 to the negative third. So s prime of t is going to be a power rule to start, the negative 3 coming out in front, leave the inside alone, t squared plus 1 raised to the negative 4 times the derivative of the inside, which is 2t. Now we can make this look a little bit nicer if we wanted. We'll have a negative 2t on top over 3 times t squared plus 1 to the fourth. And now we can go ahead and calculate s prime of 1. So we're going to have negative 2 times 1 on top over 3 times 1 squared plus 1 to the fourth. So we have negative 2 on top over 3 times 2 to the fourth, which is going to be 16. So we have negative 2 over 48, or negative 1 over 24 inches per second. So that's the instantaneous velocity of this particle at 1. We also know that it's going to the left because we have a negative velocity. Typically, a positive velocity represents right at this instant. It is moving to the left at a rate of negative 1/24 inches per second.